Argumentative essay. Vaccines work to prevent disease. Vaccines are one of the most effective ways to protect people from serious illness. They train the immune system to recognize and fight harmful germs, preventing diseases like polio, measles, and influenza. How vaccines work. Vaccines contains weakened or inactive forms for viruses or bacteria. These do not cause illness but help the body create antibodies. Once vaccinated, the immune system remembers the germ and can fight it off quickly if exposed in the future. Importance of vaccines. Vaccines prevent serious diseases that once caused widespread illness and death. They also contribute to herd immunity, meaning that when many people are vaccinated, diseases spread less, protecting those who cannot be vaccinated. Additionally, vaccines help reduce hospitalizations and medical costs, saving lives and money. Are vaccines safe? Vaccines are undergo extensive testing to ensure safety. Some people may experience mild side effects, such as a sore arm or low fever, but serious reactions are extremely rare. The benefits of vaccinations are outweigh the risk. Conclusion. Vaccines are a crucial tool for maintaining public health. They prevent outbreaks, save lives, and ensure a healthier future for all. Getting vaccinated protects both individuals and communities, making vaccines an essential part of disease prevention. Argumentative essay. Should college educations be free? College education is essential for securing good jobs and improving society, but many students struggle to afford it. Some believe making college free would create equal opportunities and reduce debt, while others argue it would be too costly and lower education quality. Benefits of free college. Free college would ensure equal opportunity by allowing students from all financial backgrounds to pursue higher educations. It would also reduce student debt, helping graduates start their career without financial stress. Additionally, a more educated workforce would lead to a stronger economy, as higher educations often result in better paying jobs and increased economic growth. Concerns about free college. The main concern is cost, as free college would require higher government spending, possibly leading to tax increase. Another issue is education quality. If more students enroll college, might become overcrowded, affecting the learning experience. It is possible. Several countries successfully offer free or low-cost college by wisely using tax revenue. Governments can implement policies to maintain education quality while making college more accessible. Conclusion. Free college could eliminate financial barriers, reduce student debt, and benefit the economy. While challenges exist, proper planning and investment in education could make it a reality, ensuring everyone has the chance to succeed. Persuasive essay. Why citizens must pass a civic test before voting. Voting is a key duty in a democracy, Yet many citizens lack basic knowledge of how their government works. Their government works requiring a civic test before voting would ensure informed decisions, reducing misinformation, and strengthening democracy. Benefits of a civic test. First, promoting informed voting. A test would encourage citizens to learn about the government, leading to the smarter electoral choices. Second, preventing misinformation. Educated voters are less likely to be misled by false information. Third, strengthening democracy. An informed electorate ensures fairer government decisions and a more effective democracy. Addressing concerns some worry a test could limit voting rights, as past literacy tests did. However, a fair and accessible test with free study resources would empower all citizens, not include them. Conclusion. A civic test would create a knowledge electorate leading to better governance and a stronger democracy. Ensuring voters understand their government is a step toward a fairer and more successful nation.